What types of energy efficiency actions are not included in the catalog and can apply for the issuance of energy saving certificates? Energy efficiency actions that are not included in the catalog of standardized measures are called unique actions. These actions, due to their characteristics and technical particularities, cannot be included in a catalog datasheet. Despite not being standardized, unique actions can entitle the issuance of valid energy saving certificates. As long as they meet certain requirements, they must have been executed. Energy saving certificates cannot be requested for unique actions that are in the project or planning phase. The annual energy savings obtained must be confirmed by an energy savings verifier. An accredited verifier by ENAC must verify that the action has been carried out in accordance with Chapter 5 of Order TED 815/2023 of July 18th, and that the calculations, measurements, or energy audits are correct. Justification of unique actions. To justify carrying out a unique action and request the issuance of an energy saving certificate, a specific process must be followed. Prior voluntary consultation, optional. If the expected final energy savings is greater than 1 gigawatt-hour, a project of the action can be submitted to the national coordinator with a favorable prior assessment from an energy savings verifier. This consultation is not mandatory, but it can provide security to the applicant about the viability of the action to obtain the energy savings certificate. Documentation for the application for the issuance of energy savings certificates. Once the unique action has been executed, an application must be submitted to the regional manager, including the information and documentation detailed in Article 14 of Order TED 815 of 2023. In addition, the following specific documentation for unique actions must be attached. Descriptive report of the action, description of the methodology used to calculate the final energy savings, report of the energy audit carried out before the execution of the action, report of the energy audit carried out after the execution of the action, where applicable, energy performance certificate of the building or installation, calculation of energy savings. The calculation of the final energy savings for unique actions is carried out by applying the principles included in Directive 2012/27 EU and Recommendation EU 2019/1658 of the Commission. In addition, the specific methodology approved by resolution of the General Directorate for Energy Policy and Mines must be taken into account. Basic principles for calculation. Additional savings. The final energy savings must be additional to any other savings obtained by the application of other regulations. Baseline. An energy consumption baseline must be defined before the implementation of the action, and the savings are calculated as the difference between the actual consumption after the action and the baseline. Normal operating conditions. Energy savings must be calculated under normal operating conditions. Rebound effect. The possible rebound effect must be taken into account, which is the increase in energy consumption that can occur as a result of the improvement in energy efficiency. Prohibition of double counting. The same energy savings cannot be accounted for different purposes. In short, unique energy efficiency actions, although not included in the catalog of standardized measures, can be certified by energy saving certificates if they meet the requirements for execution, verification, and calculation of energy savings established in the regulations. At ILP, we are experts in advising companies and startups, especially in financial regulatory matters. Our goal is to support your success and growth. Get in touch with our AIs, Savvy and Atenea, to focus your inquiries or contact us directly. More information at ilpabogados.com and ilpstartup.com.